Hi, my name is Doretha Musgrove and I work for the Live Oak Public Library. Today I'm going to be doing a Southern sweet potato casserole, and this is the recipe I chose for our theme for November, which is comfort food. So I've gone ahead and baked the sweet potatoes at home in a 450-degree oven for about an hour, hour and 15 minutes for the sake of time, and then let them cool for 15 minutes or so and pull the skins off and place them in a bowl. And so after you take the potatoes from the oven, you leave the oven on but reduce the temperature to 375 for your conventional oven. But because we're using the air fryer, I will start off with a temperature of 350, which I've preheated. And so now, after you've gotten your potatoes broken up and in the bowl, we're going to start adding our ingredients, which is 1/4 of a cup of sugar, 1/4 of a cup of cream, and 1/4 of a cup of milk. I put both of them together in one container. We're going to do a teaspoon of vanilla, and then excuse me, 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. We don't have a measurement for that. I'm just going to eyeball it. And then 4 tablespoons of butter. So now we're going to mix all of our ingredients together with a hand mixer on a medium speed and for about 3 to 5 minutes until it's all incorporated and kind of fluffy. There's the mixture after it's all incorporated. So after we whipped our potatoes and gotten them ready, we're going to take an 8x8 baking dish and spray it with Pam. Or any nonstick. And we'll put the potatoes into the baking dish. Spread them out evenly. Clean all of it out of the bowl. Let's see. Use this to scrape this off. Want to make sure we get every bit. All right, so now we're going to make our topping, and we're going to add 1/4 of a cup of chopped pecans, 1½ tablespoons of light brown sugar, and 2 tablespoons of butter melted. I'm going to add that in the bowl together here and give it a stir. This will be the crumble. We'll just spread those over the top of the casserole. So now we're going to put the casserole into a 350-degree preheated oven for about 20 minutes. So now the casserole is done. Looks nice and brown on the top, so I'm going to pull it out and we'll add the final topping. There you go. I'll increase the temperature on the air fryer to about 375. Calls for 400 for conventional oven. Okay, finally, we will just take the 1 cup of miniature marshmallows and sprinkle those on the top. Spread them out. Now, if you wanted more, you could do more. I don't ever measure, but this is what it calls for, and that's what we'll do. The final step, we'll put this back into the oven at 375 until the marshmallows are golden brown. The marshmallows are golden brown and puffy, so I'm going to go ahead and pull them out of the oven. There you go. I think this is ready. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you look out for more from the Suwannee River Regional Library in the future.